Hey, what's up guys? This is Youthman. In this video, I want to walk you through on how to update the firmware on the Emotiva RMC-1 Pre-Pro. Now before we get into the video, if you're into home theater, audio and video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. All right guys, I received the RMC-1 just a few days ago. If you haven't checked out the unboxing and the overview video, I'll post a link to it right up here as well as in the description below. But in this video, we're gonna walk through how to update the firmware since Emotiva just announced a new firmware for the unit. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is head over to emotiva.com, go to the RMC-1 page, scroll down until you see specs and downloads, click on that. That'll take you to the section, but scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see a link for the latest firmware. Once we download that, just save it to a thumb drive. Emotiva provided a thumb drive with the RMC-1, and so you can copy it onto that. Then we're gonna head back into the theater room to update the firmware. All right, so now on the front of the unit, we just need to remove this little rubber gasket, take our USB, slide it right in there, and turn on the unit. We're gonna let the unit power up fully. Usually takes about 45 seconds to a minute. Then on the remote, we're gonna hit Menu, go down to Setup, hit to the right, go down to Advanced, hit to the right, find Firmware Update, hit to the right, and it says, are you sure that you wanna do this? We're gonna hit up, and it says hit left to confirm. So we're gonna hit left, and it says that it's copying it. So it's gonna copy the firmware from the thumb drive to the RMC-1. And once that's done, probably will reboot. So we'll see what happens here. All right guys, as you can see, updating the RMC-1 firmware is a pretty simple process. The only issue I ran into was at first, it did not recognize the thumb drive that Emotiva supplied. And so I reached out to Emotiva and Nick suggested that I just find another thumb drive and check that to see if it worked. And that worked perfectly fine. And so make sure that if you have to use your own thumb drive, it needs to be formatted as FAT32. And so if it's formatted for like a Mac computer, it's not gonna work unless it's formatted to FAT32 from the Mac. And so guys, hopefully the video helped. And as always, you guys be blessed and we'll catch you in the next video.